Hello everyone! Today we're making a rich and creamy pumpkin salmon pasta that's packed with flavour. Tender salmon, mushrooms, asparagus and a smooth homemade pumpkin sauce come together with perfectly cooked pasta and plenty of melted mozzarella. It's easy to make, incredibly comforting and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's get started. Add 10 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped Bombay onions. Add garlic and cook it for 5 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes. Add half a teaspoon of oregano. Add half a teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add boiled pumpkin to the blender. Add 2 eggs. Pour the boiled pasta water. Add the tomatoes and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Add salmon. Add butter mushrooms and asparagus. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. pour the mixture into the hot pan. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of pepper. Add shredded mozzarella. Add the boiled pasta. Add mozzarella cheese. The salmon. Mozzarella cheese. And that's our delicious creamy pumpkin salmon pasta. Rich, cheesy and full of fresh flavours, this is a meal that's sure to impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.